she has a true, genuine heart for the Filipino people and what's happening in the country. So she's also, I think, the best friend now of Yusek
Oh my God!
Claire. Nakita ko yung inyong ano ni Yusek Claire, no? Now, I do not know Yusek Claire personally, but parang to me, I hope that this will not come out naman as ano, but I've always been apolitical, but I'm a practical politician. That's how I see politics from a practical point of view. Pero yung nangyari nung araw na yon, I never see you naman as someone taking sides. No?
Yeah.
So I think you were just coming from a point of, well, short of saying, in jest. You just said it in jest and parang napikon lang yata si Yusek Claire na nun, no?
I was so surprised with her reaction. Because I was, if you're representing government, you're par for the course. I mean, I wasn't attacking her. I was just asking data. I was just asking what's happening, right? And as a presidential information officer, press information officer, you're supposed to give data, say the official line, and not do much of propaganda. So I was really surprised because she was answering as if the question was directed at her as a person.
So she took it personally.
Yes,
and it was nothing personal.
Yes, and spokes shouldn't be balat sibuyas, no? Di ba? That's your job. You pick the job. You need to explain to the public.
But how are you now? How was it before, after the ano? Anong naging kwentuhan nyo after the...
Wala naman sa akin. No harm, no foul. Ika nga, nung era ni Jaworski, no harm, no foul, no? Pero dinagdagan pa eh. Sinabi niya doon sa isang interview niya, who is Malutikia, you can just Google me, you can just do an AI, and it's as if I am not trained into communications and messaging. And in all my professional life, I have been doing that. When you manage and run, design campaigns, invariably you are doing messaging and communication. So,
Yeah, siguro ako naman nakita ko lang siguro she's been, maybe it's all part of the stress also, no? On the other hand naman, I understand how she got probably picked with the question. It's nothing personal actually. That's what I think, Yusek Claire. Pero siguro because of what's happening in, siguro baka even prior to that, maybe nasabihan na siya na, kayo may alam ng kung nasaan, di ba? And she, hindi niya na siguro alam din kung bakit,
But Jojo, you have to be
above
conscious.
The situation.
You have to be conscious of your role. Kasi you're representing an institution. So, katulad mo, your demeanor, your tonality, the way you react on issues, very calm. Kasi that adds more meaning to what you're going to share to the public.
Well, but you handled it very well also, even invoking the of respect to this program.
That's well. When you're a guest,
Yes, it
wag mo
was,
naman bardagulan tayo sa show ng iba, di ba?
So magandang buhay si Yusek Claire. So easy lang tayo. Full
easy
lang tayo.
lang.
Easy lang.
Kaya nga ang tawag ko sa kanya, BFF.
BFF.
So apparently, even my friends in the media were saying, kamusta na yung BFF mo? Okay naman siya. Diba?